Inside Facebook ads, there are 3 underutilized Facebook ads targeting that rarely anyone is using, but you can simply leverage it to make more money or build a new business off of it. And if you want to learn exactly what they are, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my video channel where I share everything about Facebook ads, Shopify, how to build a business online, and essentially just helping you make more money. Now in this video, I'm going to be revealing 3 secret Facebook ads targeting that you can start using to simply make more money. But before we get into it, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, the first thing people can think of is simply targeting the audience that may be interested in their products and services to start running some ads or promotion to them. And oftentimes, most people focus on essentially interest-based targeting, which is what they would assume or believe their audiences are interested in so that they can actually advertise to them. But within Facebook ads, if you dig a little bit deeper, there's actually more targeting capabilities than what meets the eye. And in this video, I'll share with you the top 3 that are underutilized that you can actually take advantage of to make more money. Secret Facebook ads targeting number 1 is simply friends of. Now, what do I mean by friends of? Inside Facebook ads, you can actually target people that are friends of a male with an upcoming birthday, or a female with an upcoming birthday, a friend of someone that recently moved, or a friend that recently got engaged or newly wed as well. This is a perfect targeting for anyone to actually sell gifts and also print on demand. Because after all, people buy gifts for people's birthday, for someone that recently moved in, someone that obviously is newly engaged or wed. That means that these people are already in market of thinking of buying a gift for their friends. And all you have to do is to really express and to make that vocal in your ad and get them to actually take action on buying whatever you are selling to them that can be a gift. Now, a lot of times when it comes to Facebook ads, a lot of people believe that, hey, people actually buy things for themselves. But in reality, people also buy things for their friends, especially with a life event that actually just recently occurred. So for you, you can simply create a print-on-demand business where you are essentially just selling a specific merchandise that is customized towards a specific targeting or an interest that you can actually have the person buy it as a gift for their friends. Now, again, it's a huge opportunity because let's say that if the guy has a girlfriend who's having an upcoming birthday, you can actually just sell a personalized necklace just like this that looks very premium but very inexpensive that the guy can simply buy it for his girlfriend's birthday. So again, all these are pretty simple to make and you can leverage this to actually make money out of it. The best part is that the targeting won't be exhausted, because at the same time, it will continuously have new people into this specific life event that you can actually just sell over and over and over to, whereas the audience are always going to be updated. Now, secret Facebook ad targeting number 2 is people having birthday. I call this the birthday effects because here's the deal. Most people celebrate their birthday a lot. They spend a fortune on pampering themselves or simply going out for a nice dinner to celebrate their birthday. So with that, what you can actually do is to utilize the upcoming birthday and create a coupon where people can actually dine in or give away a birthday special to someone that has an upcoming birthday, because chances are that they see a personalized birthday offer, they will most likely take advantage of it, especially if you are in the restaurant industry. You can simply create a digital coupon that says, celebrate your birthday with us and get an appetizer for free or get your first meal off for free or whatsoever. So that again, these people are already in market thinking of celebrating their birthday. You're simply just offering a specific coupon or offering that is going to basically tied to personalization for that person to celebrate. And again, this works phenomenally well. And at the same time, under the birthday, you can also actually target people based on the birthday month. And a lot of people love their birthday month. Like for me, it's July. And if I see anything that is related to July, it grabs my attention right away, just like this t-shirt over here. As you can see, it's interchangeable to different months. So if the person actually see a t-shirt that says July is the best or whatever, then people are most likely going to actually respond to that specific ad because once again, it's really tied to personalization. So what you can actually do is create a simple print-on-demand business to sell merchandises that literally talks about the birthday month and target the people that are actually having a birthday in that specific month and actually sell to them right away. Now, secret Facebook ad targeting number 3. This is designed for local businesses that obviously have a B2B. So B2B basically means business to business. And inside Facebook, a lot of people think that it is always built for consumers. Yes, it is true in a way. But at the same time, inside Facebook, you get to have the ability to target people that are simply having a business or running a business. Now, I'm not saying to go after their job, employment, or their title. That is going to be pretty expensive. But one strategy that you can actually take advantage of, which is number 3, is called business admins. So with the admins, you're literally going after people that owns a Facebook page or is an administrator of a Facebook page. Oftentimes, these people are either business owners or they are into advertising, social media, and marketing. So for you, you can simply target these people to actually advertise your services to them that is really designed for businesses. So that way, you are literally getting in front of decision makers inside Facebook by using the Facebook page admins. And in fact, under the Facebook page admins, it even drilled down even deeper into restaurant admins or retail stores so that you can actually customize your message and service to these business owners. And as I said, that's really it. But these 3 strategies can work effectively well if you apply it right for your business. Like I said, personalization works really well with any sort of business, especially if someone is celebrating. Because anytime that someone is celebrating a life event or something that is happening, you actually get them into the buying mode, and chances for them to actually buy products or buy your service is going to be a lot higher. So that being said, I hope that this really opened up your eyes on the capabilities of Facebook ads and these 3 secret Facebook ads targeting that you can actually utilize and generate more money for your business. So again, hope that you enjoyed this video, and till next time.